I think
Yeah,
the
na-
garlic
pwede.
bread they will putting it later. You see that? The rain's gone.
Yeah.
They'll be okay. They'll be going. Don't stop our enjoyment tonight. Ay, nice meeting you too, huh?
Yeah, you too.
Imagine that that's our next door neighbor here. We are here in this caravan adventure.
In the middle of nowhere.
The middle of nowhere. We call it is outback. All what we have here is the mountain. That's where is Virgin Mary.
Virgin Mary.
Yeah, Virgin Mary.
Like
Like,
virgins around here.
don't say that.
I wish there was, but no.
I'm one of that. I'm one of that. There is no Virgin Mary anymore. He said, no, I'm one of that.
No, so there's no virgins around here.
When we do the barbecue, this is what I really like to do. Taking, you see the color? You see that?
Yeah, you see.
And then I show it what is Australian way of barbecue because it's different in the Philippines, huh? Yeah. So you see that? That's potato underneath there. Potato, Australian. Pistot ng potato sa mga ay. Nya itag man kanako, di ba? Kay kaya nagpalo naman kay itag kanako makita din.
Can you drop that down a bit, Brian, onto your fire, or is it adjustable?
Yeah, they got
or-
adjustment.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
Usually put it on top there, but because
Yeah.
yeah,
I was just going to put it on those coals, but
You want to move?
It's too
we'll just
hard.
move the log off.
no.
no, this is okay.
That's easy. You just push.
How
it
good is that, huh? How wonderful life that what we have here in Australia. Right?